Hey, what's up, Chiliz coin holder? This is very good time for all Chiliz coin holder. As you can see, my brother, in last 7 days, completely in the profit and trending, my brother, in a crypto market. So I think this is very good time for a good profit now, my brothers, to take a good profit now. Let's see, my brother. Today we talk about the price prediction of Chiliz coin, and definitely, my friend, what's the price prediction? What's the opinion, my brother? Everything I will discuss you, but kindly you need to must watch this video completely to understand better now. My brother, please, before I get started video, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Let's get started video, my brother. First of all, as you can see, my brother, the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and if my friend, I predicate this coin, so we better understand now. So kindly let's see, my brother, I am going to predicate this coin. First of all, my brother, as you can see here, the arrows is moving in upward direction in the last point, so that's clear, my brothers. To upcoming time, the price will be increasing now. The price will be increasing because, my brother, as you can see here, after a dump, every coin will pumps up. You can see here, after a dump, every coin will pumps up. So that's fine, my brothers. So you can see here, after this pump, they will dump, and after this dump, I know they will pumps up. So that's clear, my brothers. So upcoming time price will be increasing now, so kindly hold it, don't sell it. And if you hold, so I hope, my brother, in upcoming time price will be also increasing now, and they will give you a very good profit, my brother. All currencies will fail down in the start of month and completely and the lost now. But you can see, my brother, this time Chiliz is one of the unique coin, my brother. So you can see your 7.41% profit in all month now. Otherwise, my brother, in this month all currencies will fail down and cannot get a profit. But I think Chiliz is one of the unique and very good coin to they will give you a profit now. See you next time, holder. Please remember to subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for videos notification. Please like video and subscribe channel.